Good morning. This is Tony, and welcome to Fuxing. Today I'm going to introduce our newest cultural stairs to all of you. Let's take a look. At the first floor, in the beginning, we can see the Dongao canoe, and this is a Hanxi suspension bridge. Okay, and this way you can see the Taiping and Bongbong train and the Jimmy Park and the wonderful tree, Jiaoxi Hot Spring, Toucheng Changgu, and the Toucheng Surfing and the Lanyang Museum. So at the first part, here are all the famous attractions in Yilan. Good, and that's the good beginning for all of you to start the journey. And then let's take a look at the second floor. We are ready to go other counties. Here is the Lanyu Flying Fish Festival and the Pingdong Bluefin Tuna Cultural Festival, and the Tainan Chikan Tower, Zhanghua Great Buddha, and the Taidong Shanshan Tai. And we all have been these places for many times, and also the famous place that we'll be proud of to introduce to other people from other countries. And here is the Hualien Telugu National Taichung Theater, a beautiful one, and Miaoli Leita is kind of a traditional tea mixed by peanuts and sesame, and it's very delicious. And the Pingdong Sky Lantern, and that's a famous mark for Taiwan, and especially the next one, Taipei 101. If you're going to send a postcard to your friends from other countries, I think Taipei 101 is a good choice. Okay, and the second part is other counties from Taiwan. Now we're going to travel to other countries. Here, in the beginning, we can see the Japan Kabuki. And Kabuki is a Japanese traditional dance. And Korea kimchi. Okay, so when you think about Korea, and you know their spicy kimchi, I like it too. And Shanghai Oriental Pearl Tower, Hong Kong Bank of China Tower, and China the Great Wall. Yeah, they're always in our history book. And besides China, we can see the Thailand Songkran Festival. On Songkran festivals, people use water to spread the water to their friends and to show their blessing. Malaysia Petronas Twin Towers, Chinese New Year. Okay, and here is the Central Asia Desert. You see some camels there, and the India Taj Mahal, and the story about Taj Mahal. The Prince Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal to memorize his past wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, and I want to go there too. And Quran is like the Bible for Muslim. Okay, and Dubai, Burj Khalifa, right? The tallest building in the world now. And the Turkey hot air balloon. Yeah, but don't forget the hot air balloon festival from Taidong, Taiwan. And from Asia. Now we're going to Europe. So you can see the Russia, Kremlin, and Kremlin is the great building, and the Red Square. Ukraine, St. Andrew Church. When we talk about Europe, you can't miss this great people, Marie Curie, and Beethoven, Albert Einstein, and this one, the genius Leonardo da Vinci, and William Shakespeare. To be or not to be, that's the question, right? And the biggies. Talk about England, Egypt, snakes, and Africa, Dali, and Dali is a traditional dance for Africa. And we also see the Greenland eagle there. Yeah, the USA, you can't miss the Statue of Liberty. You see that, and you see America, yeah, like that. And Brazil, Christ the Redeemer. Redeemer is just like the Christ, okay, the Savior for the world. And here you can see the Chile Moai, yeah, the great giant statue. And the Maya civilization, and USA, Grand Canyon, and Canada. Okay, you can see the map of it. And here is the New Zealand Sky Tower. So a lot of people, they travel to New Zealand and they will try this spooky experience. Australia Sydney Opera House. Well, the most famous building in the world, one of them. Okay, and here is the Europe, and also the Australia, New Zealand. Okay, besides these famous attractions, we still have a big map, world map here. Students can not only know the geographies about the world, but they also can remember the lessons teachers taught in class. You can see United States of America, Mexico, and Brazil, the South America, Atlantic Ocean, and if you know the Atlantic Ocean, you can miss the Pacific Ocean, and there is the Arctic Ocean about Alaska, and you know their locations, different locations, and you know in the past century, 15th century or 16th century, how people travel from island to island, right? By boat, right? Australia, New Zealand, and don't forget Hawaii and Midway Atoll. Okay, Solomon Island. And now Asia, you can't miss China, right? But don't forget our pride, Taiwan, and Japan, best friend, and the Korea. But Korea, we know they divided into two parts, north and south. And this year is also the 70th anniversary about the Korean War. And Russia, Mongolia, and India, and here is Africa. Okay, so besides these decorations, the newest decorations for Fuxing, and we also have two new classrooms for our Clio lessons. And what does Clio mean? Clio means that we start to use English to teach other subjects. And you use your content and the language integrated learning. So, welcome to Fuxing. We're definitely have a whole new learning in Fuxing in the future. Okay, that's it. See you guys. Bye.